Hi friends, this is Prayagraj Ladka from Mahakumbh Nagar, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. Happy Basant Panchami to all. May Goddess Saraswati bless you all. The Mahakumbh in Prayagraj continues to witness a wave of devotion and faith as millions of sons, devotees and Kalpavasis taking holy dip in the sacred Triveni Sangam, where the three rivers, Ma Ganga, Ma Yamuna and the invisible Ma Saraswati converge. This grand spectacle is creating new records every day with more than 1-2 crore people taking part in the holy dip on each day. Sunday and Monday ahead of the Amrit Snan during Basant Panchami. The government estimates that on 5 crore devotees will participate and by the end of the Mahakumbh, more than 45 crore people are expected to have bathed in the sacred confluence. The atmosphere in Prayagraj is charged with enthusiasm as devotees continue to flock from all over the country and the world, arriving in large numbers every day to attain spiritual merits through the holy dip. The Prayagraj is ready to forget unfortunate incident on Mauni Amavasya and now ready to have Amrit Snan on Basant Panchami, which is on 3 February. The Mahakumbh is a meeting point of diverse cultures with devotees from different states and countries uniting in devotion at the banks of the Sangam. The event has transcended caste and creed, with people from all walks of life coming together, exemplifying the spirit of unity and the true essence of the Mahakumbh, the Sanskriti or Sanatana ka Sacha Sangam. Ahead of the highly anticipated Amrit Snan on Basant Panchami, the Mahakumbh has already seen a huge influx of devotees. However, several trains have been cancelled for Prayagraj. Till date, several prominent figures has taken part in the holy dip at the Sangam. Home Minister Amit Shah, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and several heads of foreign embassies. Besides this, our Honorable PM Narendra Modi is also scheduled to visit Prayagraj on 5 February 2025. Thanks to all visit to on Prayagraj. Welcome to my Prayagraj city and Sangam. Please come and enjoy Mahakumbh. Sri Ram Bhadracharya went to Mahakumbh to take a royal bath on Basant Panchami, 3 February. About to Ram Bhadracharya ji, Sri Ram Bhadracharya is the founder and head of Tulsi Peeth, a religious and social service institution in Chitrakoot named after Sant Tulsidas. He is the founder and lifelong chancellor of the Jagat Guru Ram Bhadracharya Handicapped University in Chitrakoot, which offers graduate and postgraduate courses exclusively to 4 types of disabled students. Sri Ram Bhadracharya has been blind since the age of 2 months, had no formal education and until the age of 17 years and has never used Braille or any other aid to learn or compose. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel and like videos and share. Please support me. Thank you. Thanks to all.